Good morning, students. Students, I am Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Let's start and continue with the chapter, The Glimpses of the Past. In the previous class, we have studied that where we were lacking comparatively when the Britishers were ruling over India, sorry. That time, when we were thinking of the religious matters like child labor and all that we have discussed, but Britishers, the English people, they were completely focused on industrial development. So that is the difference we are lacking somewhere. Okay, now it has been started in 80s, in 1757 till 1800. So the difference of approx 100 years. So it will take time to cover up that. So that is the reason the foreign countries are fully developed and we are still lacking somewhere. Why? Because we the people of India are played very well by different politicians, and I'm not in the against or for in favor of these politicians, or neither I'm against them, but the thing is that the politicians used to play with our mind. They used to do our brainwash, and actually the politicians do not want the youngsters and the students to get a proper education. Why? Because if the people, the youngsters and the youth of India will get educated, then the politicians will not be able to play with our mind because we are educated. So we will not come in their words and they will not be able to rule properly. Okay, so उनकी दाल नहीं गलेगी actually. The thing is, that is the reason they always, what the politicians always do, they always play politics on the basis of religious things. Whenever the election comes, every single politician started playing with the minds of the Indian people based on religious kind of things. Religious is the biggest matter. If we why they do so? Because many people are not educated properly. If they will be educated, then definitely they will not focus on religious things, because religious are continuing since last thousands of years. It's a Sanatan Dharma. There will be no damage can be caused or possessed by any single body. So that is the reason that we are lacking somewhere. So it is all about the past. Now it is continued, and you can understand. See, if you will study, you will get knowledge. If you will get knowledge, you will be trained, educated, literated person. If you are literated, then you will follow. See, being a teacher, being an educated person, even I suppose, for example, I am taking, if I am going on the road by walking, and suppose if some car hits a person, and by chance if the person is Mohammedan, the person that was hit by the car was Mohammedan. Okay, for example, I am saying. So I will not think that he is Mohammedan or he is Hindu, and I should not support him. Why? Because religious matter. I will go and help him. If it is possible for me, I will go and definitely help him. Why? Because of humanity. Okay, humanity characters comes when you will be educated. Okay, but since we are the people, there are many poor people, so the labor sides that cannot afford much on their children's studies, so their children remains uneducated, and the people who remains uneducated, the politicians will take great advantage of it. That is the reason we are lacking somewhere. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The story starts from 1772 to 1833. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a learned man from Bengal. He was educated from Bengal, who valued the Indian tradition. He gave the importance to Indian tradition, but he understood that the society was in need for reform. Means society needs changes. Why he understood? Because he was a person who thought of the long distance plan. Okay, so he understood that society need a change, a reform. Okay, otherwise our Indian culture, the people will follow the Indian culture, they will live in the same criteria, and the British people will be developed, and it happened actually. He understood that the essence of all religions was the same. See, here also it is given, the essence of all religions was the same. We should understand this. Therefore, respect and tolerance is the key to a united social existence. So we should not pay much. We should give respect, but we should not pay much attention on that. At the same time, he was attracted by the scientific and modern forms of knowledge. He was attracted by the scientific and modern form of knowledge and realized that anything that could be explained through reasons should be accepted as the truth. If I will explain anything to you by giving a proof, okay, through the reason, the proof behind it or the reason behind it, then you will understand and you have to accept it. So he understood, Rajaram Mohan Roy was understood. So what he did, he travelled to England and therefore accepted the rule by British. That why he travelled to England and accepted the rules by British, because he realized that anything he was attracted by the scientific and modern forms of knowledge, and he wants to bring that in among the Indian people, so that they also can get knowledge and they will not follow, they will develop their mind, they will not like work on the basis of their only the religious kind of things. Okay, he Rajaram Mohan Roy, why he put his effort, because he also wanted to develop India in terms of industrial and scientific terms. Okay, so but only if they were willing to fulfill their responsibilities towards Indian subjects. So what British, why he to, there was a condition when he went to England. He told the Britishers that I accept your rules, but you have to follow the fulfill the responsibilities of Indian people in terms of their subjects. He also started newspaper in India, but seeing the conditions that if newspapers will come to India, then what will happen? Every people will read the newspaper, and if they will read the newspaper, they will understand that where the Britishers are living and where we are living. The difference they will understand, and if they will understand the difference, then they will also try to bring improvisation in their technologies and everything. They will also take an initiative to move upwards, and Britishers don't want us to do so. Therefore, Britishers stopped, they put a ban on the newspaper that was started by Rajaram Mohan Roy in 1823. They put a ban so that the people should not get any knowledge and they should be simply, it was a huge difference created by Britishers and our past freedom struggles also. Okay, so it's a big topic. Whenever we'll get time, we can discuss it on it. Okay, so that's all for this class, students.